Here in this question, we need to find the value of A and B. So from these two equations, A square minus B is equal to 73 and B square minus A is equal to 73. Here one condition is given, A is not equal to B. Okay, so then we need to find value of A and B. Okay, let us see a solution of this equation, and I will write these equations. These two equation is given as equation number 1 and 2. A square minus B equal to 73. This is I will call equation number 1, and the second one, B square minus A is equal to 73. I will call this one as a equation number 2. And here, so now here both RHS terms are equal, so 73 73 we are having. Therefore we can write here A square minus B is equal to B square minus A. We can write because RHS term are equal, right? So therefore we can write here A square minus B is equal to B square minus A. And if we simplify this one, then A square minus B, I will take this side, then it will be minus B square and plus A is equal to 0, right? So now then it will be A square term I will take one side. So it will be A square minus B square. Okay, then it is plus A minus B equal to 0, right? So don't add minus B minus, okay, here A square term I am writing A square minus this square term I am writing one side, and okay, and A minus B I am writing this side. And now this A square minus B square formula we know, that is right, A square minus B square formula is A plus B into A minus B, right? So the same thing I am applying here. So it will be A plus B into A minus B. It will be A plus B into A minus B, right? A minus B plus A minus B. Okay, this term is A minus B, I will write. Here we can take a common out A minus B. Okay, A minus B I am taking common out. Then here A plus B plus 1 remains, right? Is equal to 0. And now we can write this A minus B is equal to 0, and A plus 1, A plus B plus 1 is equal to 0. Two terms we can write. Here A is equal to B, we cannot write because it is given in the conditions, right? A is not equal to B, so therefore we can write it is not possible. So therefore here we can write it is not possible from the given condition in the problem, right? So now we this one we can write A plus B is equal to minus 1, we can write, right? A plus B is equal to minus 1, we can write. Now coming to the original equations, right? These two equations, right? So these two equation if I will be add, okay, if these two equations A square minus B is equal to 73 and B square minus A is equal to 73, if we will add these two equations, we'll be having A square minus A square plus B square and minus A minus B is equal to 146 will be having. Okay, so adding these two equations, I am adding these two equations, then we'll be having this term. And here, so we can write A square plus B square, and I am taking minus common here, then it will be A plus B is equal to 146, right? And this A square, so plus B square, why I am writing here minus, taking minus common, because we know the value of A plus B from the previous expressions, right? A plus B is minus 1. We can put the value here. A plus B is A plus B is minus 1, right? Minus of minus 1 is equal to 146. Then minus of minus is positive. A square plus B square, then it is plus 1 is equal to 146. If we take this plus 1 this side, then it will be minus 1. A square plus B square is equal to 146 minus 1, right? Then it will be value is A square plus B square is equal to 145 will be having, right? So uh, now from this term, right? So from this A plus B whole A plus B value we know that is minus 1. So now I'm taking this, right? Now squaring that term, right? A plus, now A plus B is equal to minus 1, we know, right? We know from the previous expression. And I am taking square on both sides, right? Square on both sides. Then it will be A plus B whole square is equal to minus 1 whole square, right? So then this is in the formula for, right, this is the in the formula A plus B whole square formula is A square plus B square plus 2ab, right? The same thing I am writing here, right? So here this expressions we can elaborate as A square plus B square plus 2ab, right? 1 minus 1 square is plus 1. When we are uh, negative number, when we are squaring, then it is positive, right? And now we can so now we can write this one. So a square plus b square. So this a square plus b square value is 145. We know, right? So I can write, I can a square, I can submit here value of a square plus b square is 145 plus 2ab is there, right, is equal to 1. And if we take this 2ab is 145, I will take this side, then it will be 1 minus 1 minus 145, then 2ab will be having 1 minus 144, right? So here ab is equal to minus 144 divided by 2, then we'll be having the value of ab is equal to minus 72, right? Ab is equal to minus 72. And now we can take, now so now we can consider, right, we can consider a formula that is a minus b whole square, right? A minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So minus 2ab. Now in this we can fill the value of a square plus b square, that is 145, right? The value is 145 here. So 145 and minus 2 ab value we know, right? So ab value is minus 72, therefore ab value is here I can fill the value of a into b, that is minus 72. And therefore here 145 minus into minus is plus, and 2 into 72 is at 144, and here value is 289 will be getting, okay? Value of a minus b whole square will be, right here this side is a minus b whole square, we are writing for a minus b whole square, and a minus b whole square will be having 289. And now we take square root, right? Square root on both sides, okay? Square root on both sides. Okay, taking square root on both sides, then it will be a minus b whole square root of 289, and here square root and square will be get cancelled, and we'll be having a minus b is equal to 289, not okay, square root of 289. So square root of 289 value we know, that is 17, right? So 17, therefore we can write here plus or minus of 17, okay? Plus or minus of 17, we got the value here. We will be having two cases, one is plus 7 and minus 7 value is, so we'll be writing for two cases here. Case 1, so we'll be find value of a and b for the case 1. So that will be, I will take plus 7 first, right? A plus b plus 17 I am taking, right? So this one I am adding with the equations, with the equation a plus b is equal to minus 1, right? This one we know, right? So this one a plus b is equal to minus 1, right? As previously we have been expressed. And I'm adding these two equations, I'm adding these two equations, when then we'll be having here uh, okay, then we'll be having here, sorry, this is minus 1, okay, this is minus 1, a minus okay, this is a minus b is equal to 17. From this a minus is equal to plus 17, first case will be plus 17 and second case will be minus 17. Then here if we are adding these two equations, then minus b will be cancelled, and we'll be having 2a is equal to 16. and A will be having 8, right? So A will be having 8, and will be put the value of A in any one of these equations, will be get the value of B. So I will put value A plus B is equal to -1 in this equations, and here A's value is 8 and B plus B is equal to -1, and B is equal to -1 minus 8. If we take the 8 this side, then it will be -8, and B is equal to -9. Okay, B is equal to -9. We'll be having the value. Now we will consider second case, that is case 2. So case 2 will be take the value A minus B is equal to -17, right? So we'll be take value here plus 17 we take, we have taken, and here -17 we are will be take for the case 2, and adding with this the same equation A plus B is equal to -1, and adding these two equations, B will be get cancelled, and we'll be having 2A is equal to -18, and A is equal to, will be having 2 ones are 2 nines are, then A is equal to -9 will be having, right? So, and this A value I am putting in this equations, second equations, A plus B is equal to -1. A value is -9 plus B is equal to -1, and B is equal to -1 plus 9, and B value will be 8, right? So here, if we observe this, case 1 will be having 8, and here in the value of in A in the case 2 is -9, and here -9 and 8, it will be reverse, right? So 8 minus 9 minus 9 8. So these are the value for A and B for two different cases, for the given equations, so with the condition A is not equal to B, with the condition A is not equal to B, right? Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Please hit the bell icon for the notifications. Please do share with your friends. Thank you.